know how to do this, because everyone believes that you should go buy Reliance, you should go buy TCS, you should go buy Titan. You can't become insanely rich by buying what everyone is buying. You should go buy companies that nobody is looking at. Okay? But how do we find those companies? Let me explain that and give you some hacks there also. Okay? Chalo. First of all, let me do one thing. What do I want to do is, can I understand? Let me explain this one thing. Actually, let me see where that slide is. There's one slide I want to show you guys. Ignore this. I will come back to this. Yeah, this is the slide. Look at the financial statement of this company and tell me if it's good or bad. Income 698, 727, 800. Is it good or bad? Good or bad? 698, 727, 800. Good. It's growing. Income is growing. What about operating profit? 15, 18, 17. Oh, actually it's 16, 18, 17. Okay. Not great. Look at the net profit. 23, 13, 6. What the hell? It's horrible. Right? By the way, this is Titan's chart in 2003. This is the portfolio of Titan, profit and loss statement of Titan in 2003. And this is when Rakesh Jhunjhunwala invested. Right? Now, both of us will be like, Shashank, how the hell did he invest? Because the fundamentals look horrible. But pay attention. Do you see something called one-off expense, one-off provision against losses? Okay? You know what this was? Basically, the company in 2003 came and said that we are expanding into the European market. We are going abroad. We're going to make more money, more dollars. And we are expanding into European market. And to do that, we have to restructure our company's operations in Europe. So we're going to provision 10 crores, might be a loss. We're going to provision 10 crores for this. And at that point, the assets of Titan, if I bought Titan and sold it, it was worth 396 crores. Do you know what was the market capitalization of Titan at this point when Rakesh Jhunjhunwala bought it? Can somebody take a guess? How many crores was the market capitalization of Titan? Okay, valuation of Titan in 2003. Market capitalization, if I had to buy the company out, it was 200 crores. The share price in 2003 was 50 rupees and they had 4 crore shareholders. So 50 into 4 was 200 crores. You could literally buy Titan at 200 crores and sell it for parts and make 396 crores. And today Titan has given a return of 1592x in 20 years. Today it is trading at 3,50,000 crores approximately. From 200 crores, it has gone up to 3,50,000 crores in 20 years. You know how much money you would have made? Unbelievable. Okay? But now the question is, how do we find these companies? That's the biggest question. How do we find these companies? Now, can I ask you one question? This though I showed you. But can I say that if there is a company that has the exact DNA of TCS, okay, and it is a small company, what do I mean by small company? The market valuation of this company should be between 1,000 and 10,000 crores. 1,000, 10,000 crores means very small company. It should be a company that is between 1,000 and 10,000 crores, but should have exact DNA of TCS. If that is the case, then the chance that this 1,000 crores can become 40,000 crores, 1 lakh crores tomorrow and can give me 100x returns. Is that correct? I'm not telling you that there is, but if that statement is correct, then if I can find even 3 or 4 stocks that are good in that range, can I say that there is a win-win for me? Every year profit growth, every year operating profit growth, every year EPS growth, debt to equity ratio less than 1. And every year if this grows, the stock price will grow every year. We have to give it time. We have to give it time. Give it 20 years. But in that 20 years, it will pay for your marriage, your house and everything else. Your kids' education, everything. Right? So let's do that. Let's do that. I have already made a ready-made screener for you in this Excel sheet. It's called the multi-bagger screener. Okay? Copy this. I have made it 7,000. Let me change it to 10,000. Okay? So I'm saying I want a company between 1,000 and 10,000 which has a P ratio less than 50, a debt to equity ratio less than 50, sales and operating profit growth about 10% and 12%. And there are two return ratios I've added. Don't need to learn what this is, but two return ratios of 15%. Just copy this, go to screener here again, go to feed, not feed, sorry, go to screener, go to create a new screen, screens, create a new screen, copy, paste, boom. 119 companies that could be a great company, and all of them are below 50 PE. Why am I not choosing companies above 50 PE? Why am I not choosing companies above 50 PE? Chances are it might be overvalued. Yeah. So now let me show you some examples of companies that I've already found. Okay. Number one, there's a company called Share India. Okay, look at this. It's a 6,000 crore company. Very small company. 6,000 crores is nothing. Do you agree? It's a small company, 6,000 crores. Okay. What is the P ratio? 14.3. What is the industry PE? 20. What is the debt to equity ratio? Nothing. Okay, wait. We don't know if it's nice to invest. We have to still look at profit and loss, right? We don't know if it's a good or bad company. This does not tell me anything about the company's profit and loss statement. Look at the share price in the last 5 years. Very interesting. Very small company. Okay. Look at the profit and loss statement in the last 8 years. Now tell me if it is good or bad. Look at this. Good growth? Yes or no? Okay. Operating profit growth? Yes or no? Superb. Net profit 6, 8, 15, 25, 41, 81, 202, 331, 426. Mad growth? Superb. Okay. Last 5 years, stock price CAGR was 85%. It almost doubled your money every year. Screw 40-50%. It almost doubled your money every year. Last 3 years was 50% returns. Is this good or is this bad? Crazy? Crazy? And this company is only a 6,000 crore company. It is very small. It is not even $1 billion company trading on the stock market. Okay, chalo, let me show you another example. There's a company called Beta Drugs. By the way, guys, none of these are buying or selling recommendations. I'm giving you examples. Okay, this is a beta drug company. Look at the P ratio 31. Look at the industry P 33. Look at the debt to equity not there. Look at the 5-year stock price, great. And look at the result. Okay, profit and loss statement. 51, 66, 91, 116, 184, 227, 296. Very peaceful growth. It's not explosive. It's not 50% growth rate every year. Peacefully it's growing. 9, 12, 18, 25, 43, 53, 60, 7, 8, 9, 12, 25, 31, 36. Do I care about this? As long as it's going up, I'm okay. As long as it's going up, I'm okay. Aram se you go up, I'm happy. Okay. Let's look at the stock price CAGR. Last 5 years, 69% CAGR. Last 3 years, 54% CAGR. Last 1 year, 63% returns. It has beat Nifty by 3 times. Boom. Are you loving this or not? Are you loving this or not? And by the way, how big was this company? This company was a 1,100 crore company. This company is very small even today. And 3 years ago, this company was a 300 crore company. It has already given 300% return in 3 years. And it is only 1,000 crores. It is 6 times smaller than Share India. But what is the rule? What is the rule? I will only stay invested in this company as long as this is correct. It should keep growing. The next year, if 296 becomes 230, what will I do according to my 5-5 rule? If 296 becomes 230, what will I do according to 5-5 rule? Exit. Thank you, boss. Bad both, okay? Yeah, full exit, okay? 4,900 crore company, P ratio 26, industry 36, debt to equity 0.29. This is the last 5-year growth rate. Damn, 200 to 1,200 by the way, okay? look at the profit and loss statement. Profit and loss statement last, see this, so weird. 531, 553, 228, 282, 323, 224. Is this good or bad? Is this good or bad? Bad. I'm showing you both, by the way. I'm not only showing you good companies so that you understand what is good and what is bad. This is bad. I will not invest in this company. Even though this company has given return, I have no guarantee that tomorrow it will give me good return. Why? Because it is fluctuating a lot. I rather find companies that are doing well. Simple logic. Okay. Now, one more company, some new company called Yatharth Hospital and Trauma Care. Again, 3,600 crore company, 3141 PE, debt to equity is fine. This is the stock price. Doesn't seem very attractive, but this is only 1 year stock price. Okay, this is not 5 year, 1 year stock price. Let's look at the profit and loss statement. Is this good or is this bad? Last 5 years, actually every year is good, very good. And this just came out at IPO last year. It just came out last year in an IPO. That means there is still a lot of scope. So as long as this is going up, I am okay. Yeah, it has just come out with IPO. So this is still fresh. Nobody's heard about this company yet. But risky, very risky company, 100%. Yeah. But if it works, so will I go and put my entire net worth into a company like this? I'm not stupid. But will I put small money into such companies? Small money. That is where the game is. You don't have to put your life savings in these companies. Okay? Understood? I think this is what we've done. This I'll skip for now. Okay? So any company that has see some rules I'll tell you. Market cap should be above 1,000. Sales of the company, if it's above 100 crores, I would say it's a good company. Why? Because 100 crores to reach is not an easy job, by the way. So if a company is reached 100 crores, it is a good company. And the important thing is company should be profitable. If you want to take a screenshot of this right now, the company should be profitable. Number 4, good group backing. What do I mean by good group backing? It is a part of Apollo Group, part of Chola Mandalam, Murugappa Group, part of Tata Group, part of Max Group, something like that, right? It's a part of a big MNC. Then the chances of it doing well is higher. Why? Because it's run by excellent management. And it should also be in a sector that is future growth. I will not go buy sugar stocks or textile stocks. I will buy EV stocks, data center type stocks, AI stocks, those type of things. Are we clear? If you can stick to this, and do you need to find 100 companies or do you need to find 3 good companies? 3 to 5 good companies and you are done for your life. Done for your life. Correct? Yes. How long do we hold this? Important question here. How long do we hold this? As long as the company is giving profit, as long as the profit of the company is growing every year, I will enter the company and stay invested in the company. As long as the profit is there. If the profit goes down, I will exit the company. If the stock price goes down, I will not exit the company. I will only exit when the finances go down. Got it? Understood? And guys, this is basically how I analyze the market every single week. Did you guys like this? I teach my students a lot about the stock market like this every single week. I talk about energy sector, power sector. I think there was one question that somebody wanted to know. How many of you all want to know how much money I have made in the last 1 year? I think that is something that most of you guys want to know, right? My PNL or verified PNL. Because there are some idiots in the market who have spoiled our names. Okay, very, very badly they've spoiled our names. I have to tell you this very honestly. I love teaching and I've been doing the YouTube from the last 3-4 years. And even on YouTube, I love teaching. You can go open any of my old episodes. You will see how I teach, right? I sit on YouTube for 40-45 minutes and teach as well. But I believe that, boss, you first make money and then teach people. Don't give gyan without making money. So I'll be honest and open with you guys. I'll show you my last year's PNL. I'll show you my PNL until May. Okay. Ayushi can share the link of this PNL in the chat section, but I'll show you until May. Okay. And the latest one she can share with you, as Ayushi has shared with you, so that you can all see it. I have made approximately 1.64 crores profit in the last 1 year. Okay. Where my equity profit is 25 and my F&O was 1.38. And my capital on this investment was approximately 2 crores. So on a 2 crore capital, I've made 1.64. So approximately my return is around 64% in the last 1 year. Being honest, it's not over and above. I mean, it's not crazy. Nifty gave 25% last year. I have made 65% last year. So I think I'm going well right now, going okay right now. But my job is to just beat Nifty and get 15 to 20%. I got 65 because market was doing well, right? So I'm also enjoying. But I wanted to be open with you guys and have an open conversation. So that is why I put the link of my verified PNL in the sheet. Okay. And you can test it. It's a ready link of Zerodha itself. So you can have a look at it. Okay. Cool. Did you guys enjoy it till now? Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Are you guys having fun? Yes. So for all the people who are saying majority is in F&O, I don't do a lot of Nifty, Bank Nifty F&O. I don't like it. What I do is I buy stocks in futures and I buy stocks in options. If I feel that the stock has to go up tomorrow, because I can analyze stocks very well. So if I feel that TCS will go up tomorrow, I don't go buy TCS share. I go buy TCS futures. What happens when I buy TCS futures is if TCS goes up by 5%, I make 30% because I'm taking 5x, 6x leverage. But similarly, if TCS falls by 5%, I lose 30%. So it is high risk, high reward. But obviously, I am smart, so I know how to play it. But that is how I play it. Okay? Now, given the time that we saw till now, whatever you saw, did I do a good job? Yes or no? Till now, did I do a good job? Yes or no? Okay? Awesome. All the people who paid maybe 299 rupees or even lower to attend his masterclass, do you think the value that you got for this masterclass was easily more than 1 lakh? I think the number of stocks that I've shown you, and I think 299 though you have crossed long ago with the stocks that I've showed you. Again, it is not a buying or selling. Please don't do that. But at least now, for all of you guys who have invested in some stocks that you already have, I would strongly suggest go back to all your stocks and see whether you have these things that you have learned. Okay? If it is not growing company, exit the stock or else you will lose money. Okay? Even if it is in loss, remove it off is what I would say. Okay? Now, what was your favorite takeaway of today? What is the best thing you liked today? What is the best thing you liked? Multi-bagger, PPTs, solving with examples, screeners analysis, exit plan, research and buy. Beautiful. Stock entry exit. Wonderful. Chat, N1, N2. Your PNL. Someone liked my PNL. Fine. Great, guys. I'm telling you, I make more money on this. I love stock market. I take little thing out and keep it in my pocket. I love the stock market. It's my bread and butter, as you say. Right? If you had to rate this masterclass from 1 to 5 from what we've learned till now, how much would you rate it? 1 to 5. Wonderful. Okay, I think almost everyone's given 5 to 10. Super. Okay, there is a poll as well. So if anyone wants to see how much it is, you can actually do that. So wonderful. I'm seeing 5 being the highest, obviously. Common sense. Okay. Okay. Wonderful, guys. I am telling you, this is basic. I know this is like, I'm not overhyping it or I'm not overdoing it. But when we learn like this, when I teach my students this way, boss, the amount of learnings we do is just unbelievable. Because my students have literally made more than, I'm not boasting or anything, I'm being really honest with you, but they've made more than 40-50% this year already because of the stocks we basically look at and learn, and we go deep into it. We don't look at surface level like this. I go into the investor presentation, I understand where the business is, I understand whether it's futuristic or not, I understand whether it's going up or down. All of that is there in that community. It's not a course, it's a community, but it's a very exclusive place where I have a few students I teach, only the people who really want to learn, only them I teach, not for everyone, right? Now, congratulations, guys. I want you guys to clap hands because now you guys are in the top 10% of financial education. Trust me, not many people know how to do this entire type of analysis. They don't know how to do profit and loss statement, balance sheet, valuation. And you guys have learned everything in the last 2 hours. Are you happy or not? Could you ever believe that in 2 hours you would learn so much? It's crazy, right? Now, one question I have for you guys. How many of you all want to reach the top 1%? 10%,